Hello, this is John Hart, and we'll be doing two methods of t-testing in Excel with this small sample. Small to make it easier for you to type these numbers in on your own Excel if you want to make sure you're getting the same answers as I'm getting here. The first method, we'll go to FX. Actually, first we're going to do Levene's test. Since we're doing a two-sample test, there's going to be equal or unequal variance. So let's do that. First, we'll left-click and copy, left-click and then right-click and then copy. And then we'll go here at the link in my unit announcement from Social Science Statistics, and we'll paste that in for sample 1, and then we'll go back and do the same for sample 2, and then click calculate. And the p-value is down here, and it's not significant. Here it is, 0.37, well above 0.05, so we have equal variances. If it was less than 0.05, say if it was 0.04, then we'd use the unequal variance option. So we'll press backspace to stop that buzzing. We can go ahead and do this. The count, we can highlight, and it's down here. Count is 5 if you want to do it that way. For the first sample, and you can do a screenshot after we're all done here. And the second one is 7. And the means, we'll go and pick average there. We can go down all the way so we can drag it over. And that one's automatically calculated. Let's get the same number of decimal places, except no dollar signs. We can click undo. 3 tries for quarter. And then standard deviation. And we can drag that over. Okay, we can park our mouse there for the p-value. We'll go to FX, and we said equal variance. And we'll go here for t-test. If it's not there, just type it in and click go and find it that way. Array 1 is the first sample. Array 2 is the second sample. Tails, we're using 2 as a default. And type, we want equal variance, and that will be 2. If it was unequal, we'd use 3 here. So we'll type 2 there. And it's not significant. Again, we can do a print screen and paste that into our Word or PowerPoint document. For our two-sample t-test, also include a screenshot of this for Levene's. The other way to do a t-test in Excel that produces an output table automatically We'll go up to data here and look over here. If you have data analysis, then you can do this second method. Otherwise, you can go to File and try and add in this second method for these other tests also. So we want two sample equal variance. So we've done paired in Unit 1. We'll do equal variance here. And we can include the label for the highlight and range 2. Also the label. Then we check this label box and then click OK. And here's the second sheet that pops in, and we can expand the first column, get a plus sign between the columns and drag it over so we can read this a little better. So the mean for group 1 and group 2 variance is like standard deviation. Bigger number means numbers that are more spread out. So group 2 has a bigger number, just like standard deviation did over here. And here's our t-test p-value. Which is the same as over here in method 1. And do a screenshot of this if you do this second method and paste that into your Word or PowerPoint document to submit. And that concludes our presentation here, and thank you for watching.